Properties of ionic compounds. Try this. Apparatus: metal spatula, burner, carbon electrodes, beaker, cell, lamp, press key, electrical wires, etc. Chemicals: samples of sodium chloride, potassium iodide and barium chloride, water. Procedure: observe the above samples. Place sample of one of the above salts on the spatula and heat it on flame of the burner. Repeat the procedure using the other salts. As shown in the figure, assemble an electrolyte cell. Assemble an electrolytic cell by using a beaker and connecting the carbon electrodes to the positive and negative terminal of the cell. Dip the electrodes in solution of any one of the salts. Do you see the lamp glowing? Check this with all the other salts as well. General properties of ionic compounds. 1. The attractive force between the positively and negatively charged ions is strong. Therefore, the ionic compounds exist in solid state and are hard. 2. The ionic compounds are brittle and can be broken into pieces by applying pressure. 3. The intermolecular force of attraction is high in ionic compounds and large energy is required to overcome it. Therefore, the melting and boiling points of ionic compounds are high. 4. Ionic compounds are water-soluble. This is because the water molecules orient in a particular manner around the ions separated by dissociation process. As a result of this, a new force of attraction is established between the ion and the surrounding water molecules, replacing the original intermolecular attraction, and aqueous solutions of ionic compounds are formed. Ionic compounds are, however, insoluble in solvents like kerosene and petrol. This is because, unlike water, a new attractive force cannot be established in these solvents. 5. The ionic compounds cannot conduct electricity when in solid state. In this state, the ions cannot leave their places. However, in the fused molten state, they can conduct electricity. As in this state, the ions are mobile. The aqueous solutions of ionic compounds conduct electricity as they contain the dissociated ions. On passing current through the solution, the ions move to the oppositely charged electrodes. Due to the electrical conductivity in fused and dissolved state, the ionic compounds are called electrolytes. Melting and boiling points of some ionic compounds. Compound H2O, non-ionic, melting point 0 degree centigrade, boiling point 100 degree centigrade. Compound ZnCl2, ionic, melting point 290 degree centigrade, boiling point 732 degree centigrade. Compound MgCl2, ionic, melting point 714 degree centigrade, boiling point 1412 degree centigrade. Compound NaCl, ionic, melting point 801 degree centigrade, boiling point 1465 degree centigrade. Compound NaBr, ionic, melting point 747 degree centigrade, boiling point 1390 degree centigrade. Compound KCl, ionic, melting point 772 degree centigrade, boiling point 1407 degree centigrade. Compound MgO, ionic, melting point 2852 degree centigrade, boiling point 3600 degrees centigrade.